Hey guys, welcome. I hope that you're having a great day. If you can see me live, the little red square up in the left-hand corner of your screen, then tell me hi. And if you're watching the replay, welcome to the replay. And tell me hi anyway. Tell me hi and where you are watching from. And I'm going to get my iPad all set up so that I can see your comments. I can see as you join in, because I cannot see everything. Not yet anyway. I have a great project for you today. Super simple, so easy, very inexpensive, and it's gorgeous. I think you're really gonna love it. I know I love the simplicity of it and how easy it was and what a change it's going to do for my home decor. It's going to add something that I've been missing for a very long time. You'll see, you'll see, you'll see. I am excited. I'm looking for my live guy. Oh, there I am. Hello. Okay. I can see myself. All right, go ahead and say hi when you come in, and then I will, I'll give you a little greeting back. So today we're gonna use a super cute little transfer. This says, "Summer is my happy place," and for real it is. I'm an educator, I'm a teacher, so as you know, I do get a bit of a break in the summertime, and that makes me happy, and that means it's my happy place. And what I have is, I have some leftover florals from when I recently was putting together a wreath, and I do have some other little bitty wreaths that I'm gonna do later on in some future episodes. But I found this adorable little metal like watering can container, and I found some really cool greenery with these cute little bright yellow buds. Perfect for summer. They fit perfectly inside here. So I'm going to do a little decor bit right there and set this out for part of my summer decorations in my house. Bring a little greenery in my house that I can't kill. That's the best part. See, I don't have a green thumb. My thumb is many colors, but it is not green. I have the tag still on here. I'm gonna snip it off, and then we will get going on this super easy, super quick, but really, really great project. What do I want to do? I want to go to this camera angle. So here we are. We now have our little metal like watering can, and I have my lemon yellow chalk paste. This is going to be just the bright yellow to pick up what I've got going on the top of this. So I'm going to open it up, and we will get a little stir stick and go to town on stirring up this chalk paste. Okay. Remember, the more you stir, the smoother it gets. Even though it feels really thick at first, I'm going to leave my stir stick in there so that I can get my little transfer going. And because this is metal, because this is a non-porous surface, it's very smooth. I am going to, hi Cindy, welcome. I'm going to fuzz this transfer a lot. I am going to make it my goal to not say so much. I have been realizing that I say that word a lot. And it's not even a real word. It's like a silence filler. Don't be afraid of the silence. Just speak real words. That is my goal. Okay, so take this off the backing and I am going to fuzz it. See, I just have this towel right here. We're going to fuzz, fuzz, fuzz. Just like that. Remember to click that little white or gray share button in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. That's where you can share all of the creative goodness with your friends and family. Okay, so I'm going to pop this down and then I'm going to look and see if that's where I want it. Yep, looks good. Now I'm just going to smooth it out. Here we go. And then, yeah, that will look really nice. So I am going to make sure that it is stuck in all the right places. There are ridges on this, so I kind of want to make sure that if any of this is on a ridge, that I'll be able to get it really good with my transfer, or my squeegee. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to use just a small, like a half-size small squeegee, because I'm going to need to be curving around, and so I think I'll just go ahead and use the smaller size. All of our squeegees are amazing. They all have their purpose. They all fit, I just said it. Good gravy. They all fit a specific project. They have their usefulness. I have all of them, and I have many different sizes that I've cut my small into different shapes. Not shapes really, but different widths. Get just a little bit more. This yellow chalk paste is pretty thick tonight, but I'm liking it. I don't have that fear that it's going to dry out, because a thicker chalk paste takes longer to dry. Now it's thick, but it's good. Now let's see if I can peel. Yes, we're having peel success. Now, even though I did fuzz this, it is taking a bit of effort to peel. Oh, it's taking a bit of effort, and so my transfer will be a little curly. Can you see that? We can take care of that curliness. I probably should have peeled it off of my towel and then probably fuzzed it a second time, but I think we're okay. So this is a little A-size transfer. I'm going to let it set there in the water while I finish. That's a little A-size transfer. So it's our smallest size, 5 by 7. There's a lot of glare. I know this, so I'm trying to show you what it looks like. Wait, that's not going to work. Huh. I need to go like over here. So summer is my happy place. It is very vibrant in person. I know you kind of probably are having glares and it's kind of hard to see, but summer is my happy place. And then we're gonna put this in here, and I will put it in a spot where you can kind of see everything that I've got going on. Looks pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can see from there. Really simple, really great, easy project. Find something around your house that you already have. Grab a little bunch of florals at the store or fresh flowers from your garden if you have them, and create a really nice little focal point that sends a message. So hope you enjoyed this super short little project. Anybody can do it. All the supplies that I used tonight are available on my website. So check me out, creativesarah.chalkcouture.com, or you can shop right from this Facebook page at any time. Alrighty, we'll talk to you later.